Hey everyone, today in this video I'm going to show you how to upgrade your PlayStation 5 storage by adding an M.2 drive. If you're interested in this drive or you want to find out more about the PlayStation 5, the links to these products will be in the video description. Now let's go ahead, let's get this installed. First things first, we have to remove the back cover on our PlayStation 5. If you're wondering which side that is, it is not the side with the PlayStation logo or your disk drive. It's going to be the back side cover. To get this removed, gently lift up on this corner of the back side. So again, the narrow portion of the PlayStation 5 unit. Gently lift up and you're going to slide everything downward to remove it. So just gently lift up, slide down, and the cover will come right off. That's going to reveal, as you see right here, the spot where we're going to be able to install our drive. So grab a screwdriver, a Phillips head screwdriver, and gently remove the cover. Cover's been removed, and you'll notice we have multiple measurements, so we can install quite a few drives in here. Ours is going to be at that 80 spot, so there's a smaller screw that we can remove with a Phillips head screwdriver again. And then we have this little tiny spacer, whatever you want to call it, that we'll have to relocate. And if you're wondering which drive this is the SK Hynix. This is their Platinum P41 NVMe drive. It's a 2 terabyte SSD, so plenty of storage space to be had with this drive in our PlayStation. So just gently press it in place. It's only going to go one way here. Let me put that, here, I'll leave that off for a second. We got all of our pins down there. Just gently press in place, and then you're going to fasten it down into the unit. So grab our little spacer again, grab the drive, line everything up, press in place, and now let's come back through with our screw and tighten everything down. And lastly, we can go ahead and we can put our cover back on. So line that up. It's only going to fit one way. Grab the longer screw. This screw is cool too. It even has the PlayStation logos on it. We got the little X, square, triangle, all that good stuff. I love the attention to detail. Super cool. And then fasten that in place. Now we're ready to reinstall the cover. We're going to repeat that process in reverse order. So just line it up and then gently press down and press towards the top. So everything's lined up as it should be, and then you just press and you'll hear it snap in place. So if we do it right, you'll hear a little snap. There we go. And then it just clips right back in. Now we have successfully installed our M.2 NVMe SSD. Now we've booted up the PlayStation 5 and we're greeted with this message about our M.2 SSD storage where we need to format the drive. So let's go ahead and do that now. And now it's formatting. Already over 25%, 44%, 50%, 100%, super quick. So the read speed for M.2 drive is as follows. Look at that. Almost 6,500 megabytes per second. Let's go. That's awesome. It's been formatted. Everything is now all set and ready to go. And just to confirm and check on everything, we're now in our PlayStation 5 storage settings. M.2 SSD, 2 terabytes available. Nice breakdown there, and if for some reason we need to, we can reformat it again right from here. Well, that's it. Enjoy the added storage on your PlayStation 5.